Hi friends, today our topic is trigonometric identity. Okay, before going to the topic, we know first of all what is identity. Okay, right. An identity is a mathematical equation which is true for all the values of the variables in the equation. Okay, understand or not? Take an example. A plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. It is an identity. Okay, it is an identity. Before identity, what it is this is a mathematical equation. This is a mathematical equation which is true for all the values of the variables in the equation, which is true for all the values of the variables in the equation. Suppose substitute a is equal to 1 plus b is equal to 2. A plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. 1 plus 4 plus 4, okay, is equal to 9. 1 plus 2 whole square, 3 square is equal to 9. So, okay, understand or not? Identity means identity is a mathematical equation which is true for all the values of the variables in the equation. Okay, what is trigonometric identity? What is trigonometric identity? Okay, it is in the same way an identity equation. In the same way, an identity equation means it is also a mathematical equation having trigonometric ratios. Trigonometric ratios means sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, secant theta, cot theta, cosecant theta. Trigonometric ratios means this. Okay, of an angle is called trigonometric identity. Okay, and it is true for all the values of the angles involved in it. It is true for all the values of the angles involved in it. Okay, let's go to the first trigonometric identity. First trigonometric identity. It is a right angle triangle. Consider a right angle triangle. Consider a right angle triangle ABC. ABC, and also angle B is equal to 90 degrees. Angle B is equal to 90 degrees. Angle CAB is equal to theta. Angle CAB is equal to theta. Okay. According to Pythagoras theorem, we have no an equation. What is that? AB square means this is a side square plus BC square. This is also side square is equal to hypotenuse square. Hypotenuse square. Okay. This is AB means adjacent side square plus opposite side square plus is equal to hypotenuse square. Okay, understand or not? Right. Here our theta is at an angle. Okay, theta, right. We first go to the divide the AC square, divide with AC square on both sides. Divide with AC square on both sides. Divide with AC square on both sides. AB square by AC square plus BC square by AC square is equal to AC square by AC square. Okay. So why I am writing like this? Because I want a proof or identity. I want an identity purpose. I just divide with both sides on, divide a square on both sides. Okay. Right. So AB square by AC square means AB by AC whole square. AB by AC whole square. BC by AC whole square. BC by AC whole square. AC square one time is equal to 1. Okay. So AB by AC whole square. AB by AC whole square. AB by AB means adjacent side by AC means hypotenuse whole square plus BC means opposite side whole square by hypotenuse. Okay, opposite side by hypotenuse whole square is equal to 1. So adjacent side by hypotenuse means cos theta whole square. Cos theta whole square. Opposite side by hypotenuse means sin theta whole square is equal to 1. Cos theta whole square means cos theta into cos theta. Cos theta into cos theta. Sin theta whole square means sin theta into sin theta is equal to 1. Okay. This is cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1. Cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1 is the first trigonometric identity. And also the remaining identities also based on this equation or this identity. Okay. Let's go to the second identity. Let's go to the second identity. Divide AB square, divide with AB square, divide with AB square on both sides. Both sides of equation 1. Right? So AB square by AB square plus BC square by AB square is equal to AC square by AB square. AC square by AB square. Right? AB square by AB square is equal to 1. 1 plus BC square by AB square. BC square by AB square means this is opposite by adjacent. So opposite by adjacent. Opposite side by adjacent side. Opposite side by adjacent side whole square is equal to AC square means this is hypotenuse. Hypotenuse by AB means adjacent side whole square. Okay. 1 plus opposite by adjacent is equal to tan square theta is equal to hypotenuse by adjacent side is secant square theta. So from that, therefore, secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. This is a second trigonometric identity. Second trigonometric identity. Okay. After that, go to the third identity. Go to the third. Divide with BC square on both sides of BC square on both sides of equation 1. Okay. So AB square by BC square plus BC square by BC square is equal to AC square by BC square. Okay. So AB square by BC square. AB by BC means adjacent side by BC means opposite side whole square plus BC square by BC square 1 time plus 1 is equal to AC square. AC square means hypotenuse. So hypotenuse by BC means opposite side whole square. Okay. So adjacent side by opposite side whole square means this is cot theta whole square. Cot theta whole square. Cot theta whole square plus 1 is equal to hypotenuse by opposite side is nothing but cosecant theta. Cosecant theta whole square. Therefore, cosecant square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. This is a trigonometric identity 3. Trigonometric identity 3 is these three identities are very important. Okay, thank you.